anyone and everywhere. Your guesses so far, is it Andy Burrows? Oh, Andy, ex of Razorlight. Kelly is guessing that one in Winchester. She just wants to enjoy the sunshine with the baby and the is in the boring office. I'm imagining there's quite a lot of people who are desperate to be outside and just kind of having a really lovely time instead of going to do horrible things. So just listen to the show. We'll try and take you elsewhere apart from what your job is, what you're supposed to be doing at the moment. Simon, is it Zane Lowe? It's not either of those people. It's not Chris Moyles either. Louis in Oxford. Your first clue was this. Listen to it again.
Seems like a really cool guy.
He lives near me. But he used to. Europe, America.
Oh, well, he's calling baby shambles. Really?
Yeah, really, he did. Your second clue is this. Whoa, surely that's taking you right there. 81199 for your guesses. joe.wiley@bbc.co.uk.
Get to know you.
Play that for Howard, who lives in Milton Keynes. Hello, Howard. Can I come with you, please, to Moyles karaoke night? I'll make it worth your while by making sure you don't get anywhere near stage, hence being unable to sing. Oh, I love you, Howard. That'd be great. Anyone protect me and stop me from singing. You're on the guest list, don't worry, you're coming in. Franz Ferdinand and Know You Girls, 25 minutes after 10 o'clock. Your first clue was this then.
Seems like a really cool guy.
He lives near me. But he used to. Europe, America.
Oh, well, he's calling baby shambles. Really? Yeah.
Second clue. Is it Sam Sparrow? That's from Anne in Edinburgh. Going for a nice massage. I'd give anything to be going for a nice massage at the end of this show today. Enjoy your massage, but it's not Sam Sparrow, sorry. Is it Justin Timberlake? Zoe in Kent? No, it's not Chesney Hawkes either. Michael Postman in Swaffham. Loving the sun this morning. Is it just Jack? Nigel in Essex. It's not just Jack, but he will be live on the show just after 11 this morning. Is it Calvin Harris? A lot of people are saying, yeah, of course it's Calvin Harris. It's not actually Calvin Harris. No, it's the wrong answer. Is it Frank Turner? I saw him sporting baby shambles in Norwich. That's Angus in Norfolk. No, it's not Frank Turner. Is it Mika, Rob, the rig driver? Johnny Burrell off of Razorlight. Max on the way to work. It's none of Razorlight. No. Is it Pete Doherty? Mark driving across the UK? No, because he is in baby shambles, so it's not Pete Doherty. Is it Jack Pignate? No, it's not David Somerset. You got another clue. Third clue. Maybe this will take you there. Scott Mills. Where do you think that went to? 81199 is the text, the email, joe.wiley@bbc.co.uk. One more time.
I'm nice right now. I feel good. If you have a drink, would you please put it in the air? That party last night was awfully crazy. I wish we taped it. I dance my face off and have this one girl completely naked. Drink this for my all my good friends is all I need. Pass out food, wake up at 10, go out to eat, then do it again. Man, I wanna go to college for the rest of my life. Sip Bankers Club and drink Miller Lite. On Thursday and Tuesday night ice. And I can get pizza, $1 a slice. So fill up my cup, let's get buffed up. I'm next on the table, who won what? I am champion at beer pong. Alan Iverson, Hakeem Olajuwon. Don't even bounce, not in my house. Better hope you make it, otherwise